If your caps lock key is not working on your MacBook Neo, or any MacBook for that matter, the button isn't responding at all, or it's stuck on pressed and won't switch off, although the rest of your keyboard works just fine, it's a pretty common issue, and in most cases, it's something you can fix in a few simple steps. First, let's start with the basics. Give your MacBook Neo a simple restart. Sometimes it's just a small glitch, and a restart clears it right away. If the problem is still there, like you press caps lock and nothing happens, whether it's stuck on or not turning on at all, then open System Settings on your Mac. Go to Accessibility. Scroll down and tap on the Keyboard. Here, make sure the Slow Keys option is turned off, because that can delay or block key responses. If caps lock is still not responding, go back to Settings, scroll down to Keyboard, and on the right side, open Keyboard Shortcuts. Scroll all the way down and select Modifier Keys. Now check the Caps Lock Key option and make sure it's not set to No Action or assigned to something else by mistake. Set it back to Caps Lock. If you've changed settings before and you're not sure what's wrong, you can also click on Restore Defaults to reset everything quickly. And before you leave, make sure the keyboard is set to Apple Internal Keyboard so you're actually fixing the built-in one, not an external device. That should solve the problem in most cases. If it still doesn't, for now you can press and hold the Shift key whenever you need capital letters, and then it's a good idea to contact Apple support just to check if it's a hardware-related issue. Thanks for your time.